Here I have LG Q7 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. From the general tab, let's scroll down and here let's choose language and input. It's under system tab. Let's choose language from the top of the screen. And right now you are using the English from United States, but if you would like to change your language, let's choose add language. Here you should find the full list of available languages that you can use on the following device. So in my case, let me choose the Spanish, for example, so the Espanol. Now you need to place the Espanol into the first position if you would like to use it on your device. And this is the main language right now. You can go back and as you can see the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. So now if you would like to go back and if you would like to start using the English, let's choose Ajustes, choose General, let's choose the Idioma y Teclado, tap Idioma again, and let's place English into the first position. And that's it. Right now your main language is English, so you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.